All right, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 3, drawing in a game lab. So this video follows this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. Going back to your lesson resources, that's one of the 2 videos that you have here. So that's part 1. So you want to watch this video before you start level 2. All right? Okay, so after you watch the video, come back and let's look at this. So it says explore the game lab. Do this. Here is the same line of code from the previous level. True. However, we have comments now. Change the numbers inside the block, then try running the program again. Try to place the rectangle near the bottom right of the screen. So right now, if I run this, it's right here. We want to try and get it down here, all right? So to start with, I'm going to show the grid. And then you can do this a couple ways. You can just type in random numbers. So like 275 and 400. And you can reset it and try that. All right, but it's going to be off the screen, so we got to figure out why. So let's try 350 by 250. We reset it. Okay, so all right, okay, you can do that. So we got a gray rectangle over here. However, there is an actual shortcut. And so what we have to do is we just have to do a little counting. And so we're going to start up here, right? Now it's asking us to put the gray rectangle down here. So I'm going to reset this. All right. And so you can look and say, oh, if I put this right here, it tells me that the X is 350 and the Y is 350. Oh, so I could do this, okay, because if I put my cursor right here, it says X is 350 and Y is 350-ish. Now I can't get in the right spot anymore, but let's try it. So if I run it, there we go, it's in the right spot. So the other way you can do it as well, which I was originally going to do, is to count. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. All right, so that's 350 on the x-axis. So now let's do the y. Same thing, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. So 350 by 350 puts me in the same spot. All right, so when I run it, there's my gray rectangle. We're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.